Just a quick video about how to remove EGR valve. So first you have to open this little safety lock on the connector, and the best thing just to use a flat screwdriver. Then the connector should come out really quickly without much trouble. Now you have to use E10 socket, and that should go really easy. You've got two bolts to unscrew. As you can see, I'm filming with one hand and doing the job with the other. It's not really that hard. Well, it depends on the state your car is in. My car is from 2009. I saw one guy online using the bike lock to remove the valve. The idea was very simple, just to put this line under the valve and putting the hammer in the loop and hammering it upwards, so the line will pull the valve up. And it was working for him, but whilst I was trying to put it on, I noticed that I was able to move the valve left and right only with my hand. So I decided just to pull it out like that, and I didn't expect it to be so easy. As you can see, I was able to remove the valve pretty easily, and it doesn't look really good. It was completely locked. It wasn't moving at all. I couldn't move it with the screwdriver. I couldn't push it up. The next thing you have to do is to remove the seal, the little seal, because it might get damaged by your cleaner, whatever you're using. I had a code P404 on my dashboard. When I checked it with OBD2, which on the dashboard was check engine. So I decided to clean it with just the simplest cleaner available in a car shop. The cleaner was actually to be used into the air intake without the need to remove the valve itself, but I decided to remove it anyway and give it a good clean. I've never done it before. I've done it on the roadside. I really needed the car, so I really checked online how to do it, and it was pretty easy. So as you can see, the valve is moving now. It looks much better. It's moving up and down, but it's still not fully clean, so it's a bit locked still. So I was making sure to give it a good clean. The whole job took me just about an hour to remove it and clean it and put it back in. Just please be sure you put that seal back on. I didn't, and I had to remove it all again, which wasn't easy. It was much harder to remove it after I installed it again. That's the whole thing cleaned for you, and I wasn't really trying to be very thorough. I was just trying to unlock the valve, and I really succeeded. I can only tell you that the car performance after doing this is amazing, and if I knew that it has to be done, I would have done it much earlier. So good luck, until next time.